an email. What can I do with this? Make money online. Let's have a look at what we can do here and see. Welcome to this video. I thought I'd start this video off a bit differently here. I have received an email from Fiverr saying it's 20% off. So I thought I'd make a video on, I bought something on Fiverr and this is what happened. And what am I going to be buying on Fiverr? Well, I thought it would actually be really funny if I got a how to make money online gig from someone on Fiverr. I want someone on Fiverr to tell me how I can make money online, and I want to basically buy the gig and go through the gig with you, and we can see if it's any good, if what this person is saying on how to make money online is at all decent. And before you think this video is sponsored by Fiverr, this video is not sponsored by Fiverr. If you think that I can get a video sponsored by Fiverr, then you are kidding yourself. I'm no way big enough to get a video sponsored by Fiverr. One day I'll get my video sponsored by Fiverr, but for now I'm just seeing an email and paying for the video myself. So let's go into Fiverr and actually pick a gig. But before we do that, you've all helped me incredibly well get to 10,000 subscribers. And as you can see from my misshapen balloons here, that is a 10 for 10,000 that my fiance got me, and there are balloons all over the floor as you saw at the beginning of this video. So if you want to help me get to 100,000 subscribers, because that's clearly the next goal, then hit that subscribe button. If you're new here, my name is Shimmy Morris and I make videos on how to make money online, Amazon, print on demand, you name it, and I'm sure you're going to absolutely love my videos. But in the meantime, one thing I strive to do is just get to the point. So let's get to the point of this video. Make money online. Let's have a look at what we can do here and see. I don't even know if we're going to be eligible for that discount because we're not a first time thingy, but here we go. I'll set up and launch a successful e-commerce store. No, I'll provide a complete affiliate marketing setup ready to make multiple. I don't want to pay £115. I will help you make money with affiliate marketing. Okay, I will make money making machine using affiliate marketing. Okay, I will teach you to make money online. Here we go. I'll provide ClickBank $1,000 autopilot earning method. Okay, no, I do not want to get involved. I will provide 3 ready-made money-making websites to start generating. I will do money. These sound absolutely terrible. Like, absolutely terrible. Hang on, let me find one that's actually decent. I will create a full automated travel website. I will write 500 words about making money online. No wonder it's £4.28. I will give you 5 money-making methods to make passive income online. This is interesting because I like when people talk about passive income, because passive income doesn't really exist. And it's quite cheap, £4.28. Well, my channel's not at 100,000 yet. I don't have the budget to spend hundreds and hundreds on Fiverr gigs. Let's click this one and see what this guy's about. So, this is, let's have a look. Well, more low web. What do you think you could do? We are a team, seasoned web designers in thriving agency London. Our main priority is listening on 1,000 websites. 5 money making methods. Do you have any reviews? Thank you, I'm satisfied. Very straightforward and can't wait to try. Delivered exactly expected. Okay, I'll review it carefully. Thank you. All right. So, Mr. More Web, let's have a look at what you say about making money online, because you clearly know more than most. Continue. £4.28. Where can I put up the thingy? What's the discount? I don't actually remember the discount. Fiverr Grow 20. I probably should do a more expensive one because it actually makes sense to do a more expensive one. Service free delivery time, you recharge yet? Okay, hang on. Secure checkout. More payment options. Oh. Enter promo code. Let's see if it works. Why are you invalid? Well, I've come this far, I might as well get it now. And there's a service fee of £1.71. That makes this gig £5.99. He is showing me how to make money online though, so Why won't you work? Hang on, let's have a look at the email and see why it won't work. Special offer, valid for 48 hours. I got this email yesterday. I found everything you need. I think it's just the first time you've ever bought anything on Fiverr? I don't know. Well, look, if this was a promoted video by Fiverr, they are doing a terrible job, and I do not recommend them because their own flipping promo code doesn't work. Luckily, it's not a promoted video, but you know what? Either way, let's see how this guy does. Thank you. The seller needs the following information to start working in order. The files will be sent through Fiverr shortly. Okay, that it? Thank you. Start order. Okay, well, can I just say, for someone, well, I'm going to see what they give me, and I'm going to see if this, one of the 5 ideas, I want to see if one of the 5 ideas are make Fiverr gigs, telling people how to make money online. Because I was going to say, guys, you can go and find 5 money-making ideas, stick them on Fiverr and sell them. This guy's just made himself $5.99, and all he's probably going to do is send me a bunch of files that I'm going to read through and then check out the ideas. Okay, well, I'm going to read through them and check out the ideas with you. I don't even know. I don't know. Let's just wait and see. Okay, so let's just quickly recap. I'm quite a few days later now, and previously what happened is I got a discount from Fiverr, so I thought I'd use it. It didn't work, but I ended up doing it anyways, and I paid someone on Fiverr to teach me, or not teach me, this is the name of the gig. I will give you 5 money-making methods to make passive online money. It doesn't really make much sense, but that's besides the point. Either way, I paid someone to show me how to make money online, and let's see how that worked out. So it went, hello, how are you? I'm great, thanks. How are you? He goes, I'm great, thank you. I will send your methods through shortly. I was just wondering if you were willing to start your own digital agency where you can sell services such as web design, social media management, and SEO profit marketing, blah, 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 blah. So basically, I bought his gig, and now he's trying to sell me his scheme. That's not what I signed up for. I was like, I don't know. I thought I was just getting some ideas on how to make some passive income. He goes, yes, you are, ha, ha, ha. You are getting 5 ideas on how to make passive income. I was just wondering, that's all. And then he's now in defensive mode because he wants a good review. Okay, I think I'll stick with the ideas for now, I said. If they're good, then maybe I'll consider. He goes, that's okay, don't feel pressured. Apologies, I was just wondering, that's all. I'll send the methods through shortly. And I said, thanks. Then he goes and sends me through 6 methods. He gives me 1 extra method. He's a very kind gentleman, even though one of his methods was just this one he asked me to do. So what are we going to do in this video? I want to talk to you through those 6 methods and actually tell you if they're any good and if this video actually worked, because I paid someone to show me how to make passive income, and let's have a look at some of their ideas. So I've got, bam, 6 ideas here on my computer, okay? We are going to start with, let's just start with this one. Right at the top, I'm not going to read the whole thing because it's just too complicated. I want to keep this video under, 15 minutes. So I'm going to very briefly talk about them. And then what I want you to do, and this is all based on you, of the 5 or the 6 ideas that I tell you about, I want you to leave a comment down below. Pick your favorite idea and I will give you all the information that I have now learned. A lot of the stuff I knew, but now that I have learned, and I'll make a video dedicated to that one idea. Okay, so let's just breeze through these 6 ideas. This first one is discover step by step how to easily bank 150 per day on autopilot with no money and no experience. Ooh, it sounds too easy. Right, bear in mind on the Fiverr gig, he says he's going to give me 5 passive ways to make money. Now, passive means you're not really doing much work. I don't really believe in the whole passive stuff because there's always some sort of work involved. Right, we need products that we can promote and a YouTube account where we will upload videos to promote products. So we're uploading videos to YouTube. Now, I can tell you that's not passive. As I do it, it's not passive at all. Okay, so the idea of this is basically affiliate marketing, where you find products on ClickFunnels, and it's a bit rubbish, to be honest, because you find products on ClickFunnels and you create these cheesy videos using Animoto, and basically affiliate marketing is when you sell someone else's product and you get a commission. So this idea, he said, was to find people's products on ClickBank, right? And not ClickFunnels, ClickBank, right? And then make 30-second YouTube videos describing what the product is, putting the links in the description, and hopefully people will buy through your link. However, those videos 30-second videos he wants you to create. Those videos will probably get like 7 views if you're lucky. So, and then he's talking about creating tons and tons of YouTube accounts, making tons of videos, re-uploading the same video, and this all just sounds very, very fishy. So no, I don't like this idea. I like the idea of affiliate marketing through YouTube, but the way he's doing it is, you can see these crappy videos. You know, those videos where the voiceover is like, so you want to buy a product online. It's like one of those annoying robotic videos that are like 30 seconds long. Nah, not into that. Not into that idea. Let's talk about his second idea. Making money method, endless scalability. This is another method on how you can how you can make a significant amount of money. Okay. Right, this is all about Reddit, finding popular posts and reposting the content and getting money. So hang on, let me have a look at that. This was a really confusing idea because it made no sense. So okay, no, this idea did make sense. So he's talking about finding posts on Reddit and basically seeing which posts are the most popular, repurposing those posts on your own website, and then enabling Google AdWords on your website so that you make money every single time someone clicks onto your website. Not a bad idea. Again, I'm not the biggest fan of just stealing other people's stuff and repurposing it as your own, or repurposing it to build yourself up. Like if someone was to steal my YouTube videos to make their own money, I wouldn't be very happy. So these all seem like very black hat ideas, and black hat basically means just a bit, dodgy, and something I don't really want to be involved in. Let's have a look at the next idea. An extra method for you. Oh, this was his extra method. Hello, thank you. This extra method was the one he asked me to do in the chat. It's all about building this. Thank you for purchasing some of our money-making message. Imagine this. No more 9 to 5. No more working for someone else. Being financially free. Be your own boss. No skill required. Passive. Outsource all the work. Okay. This is not dropshipping. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. This is a proper business. Right. This is all about owning a digital design reseller website where you resell someone else's stuff. So basically someone else who sells like how to make websites, all these kind of things, or I'll build your website, I'll do this. You basically resell their stuff, put more money on it. When someone buys, you just lead them to that guy, and that's it. It's simple. Again, it's simple. Not the biggest fan of it. Right, this was how to make 100 to 300 a day with YouTube. So 2 of the ideas you gave me were actually the same idea. So yeah, 2 of the ideas was all about affiliate marketing on YouTube. So I won't bother you with the technical, theoretical mumbo jumbo stuff, except he literally does for 13 pages, but whatever. This is talking all about, again, affiliate marketing, creating videos, repurposing those videos, and basically putting them on YouTube. So this is more about finding an affiliate deal on like something like JVZoo or ClickBank, and one of these affiliate deals that have a video on their sales page, just downloading their sales video, uploading it to your YouTube account, uploading it to another one, and then uploading it to another one, and then keep uploading it to multiple YouTube accounts. So you've got lots of backlinks that all lead to your affiliate offer. The 2 things that I don't like about that is having so many different YouTube accounts. It seems dodgy. And number 2 is just stealing their sales video, uploading it to your YouTube account. Also doesn't seem very nice. It just seems, again, a bit more black hat. I don't know what's just happened. My inbox is open for some annoying reason. Right, the 4th way, I have read these before, by the way. How to make thousands daily. Oh, this idea was ridiculous. Okay, this idea is basically Snapchat, mass messaging people on Snapchat. You know what? I'm not even going to waste my time telling you this idea. It was ludicrous. I'll go through the steps. Okay, step 0. There's a 0. Step 0. Hey, have you added me for the $100? So you mass message everyone. You mass add and then message everyone saying, hey, have you added me for the $100 correct? This step is getting them to share to all their contacts. You make a video on YouTube that explains to them how to share to all their contacts. You send something like, hey man, this one step for your $100. Please complete all the steps shown, blah, blah, blah. And then step 2 is downloading apps. Step 3 is surveys. Step 4 is more surveys. It's just, okay, I'm not even going to waste your time. And then the last idea, which was probably my favorite idea and genuinely a good idea, and probably the only good idea out of all of this, except for the the YouTube affiliate marketing is a good idea. It's a brilliant idea, but the way he's done it is not a good idea. I do not like the way he's done it. If you want to do YouTube affiliate marketing, let me know in the comments and I can make a detailed video on that, because it is a huge moneymaker, brilliant moneymaker. Right, what is the one single good idea that I got from spending £5.99 with this guy who's going to show me how to make passive income? So this is very simple, and it's based on article writing, and all it is you pay someone on Fiverr to write you articles, and you sign up to a whole bunch of websites like iWriter, there's B. Michelle Pippin, Back to College, Brazen, CEO Hangouts, Daily Worth, all these different places. You sign up for all these places and you pay someone on Fiverr to write you an article, and then you resell that article onto one of these many websites. And these websites, for example, iWriter pays $40 to $60. You've got all these websites. This one pays $50 to $150. This one pays $55. This one pays $50. This one pays $150. And you don't have to be good at writing. You don't have to do anything like that. And the reason he said this is passive is because eventually you can get someone to find someone on Fiverr to write you the stuff. Then you can pay that person for finding them. You can pay the Fiverr guy, and you'll still be left with a tiny bit of money that you can profit. But the difference is here, you can now sit back completely and you can profit from 5, 6, 7, 10 articles a day, probably making $500, $600 every single day doing this. I know he says 500 a week, but there's no reason why you can't just go crazy with this and start hiring 5 or 6 people to find 10 people on Fiverr to write 40 articles. Like, it can just snowball effect, basically. This was the single good idea, and just to quickly recap this idea, you are paying someone on Fiverr to write articles, and you are reselling those articles on any of these websites that are paying for articles. You obviously got to make sure you find someone with brilliant English, and yeah, it's really, really simple. There's obviously some times where you won't get to sell that article, but what you can do is you can actually look on these websites and you can get requested. So for example, here you can request to write an article, and once you request to write an article, you can just outsource it. And you know you're definitely getting money because that article's been requested by you to write. So you don't have to go write an article, then find somewhere to take that article. You can be requested to write the article in the first place. So this is really, really cool, and that was the single good idea. So was this video, I wanted to keep it under like 15 minutes, but was this a good video in that sense? Well, I paid someone on Fiverr to teach me how to make passive income, and he gave me one good idea. It's not like, it's only passive if you want to make it passive, but it's not a bad idea. I'm going to give him credits. It's not a bad idea. The other 4 to 5 ideas he gave me were either really black cat, really scammy, or just utter rubbish. But saying that, £5.99 for one solid idea on how to make money online, I'll take that. And yeah, if you want to learn, like I said, more about any of these ideas in particular, my 2 favorites have been YouTube affiliate marketing and article writing. If you want me to make 2 videos on those, let me know in the comments down below. I can easily interview someone who I know makes thousands every single month writing articles. So that's a huge, huge thing. So yeah, let me know in the comments down below, and hopefully you like this video. I will see you on, I think, Thursday, because I don't know what day this is, but I make videos Sunday, Tuesday, Thursday at 5 p.m. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit the bell notification, and like and subscribe and share and, you know, comment, do all the things you guys normally do, because you are the best community on YouTube, and this is becoming an awesome YouTube channel. So I'll see you later.